Hello, my name is Eric Mensah, and I'm a student of Ensign College. I'm studying information technology, cloud service administration. So this video, I want to talk about virtual machine components and the benefits it has in a business setting. So virtual machine, as we all know, is a software version of a computer or a software computer. It functions just as a gadget or a computer, just that it is in a software form. And so the virtual machine, like a physical computer, also has the CPU, which is the main power of the computer. Its power setup starts and connects all the hardware components together and makes the computer functionable. We also have the RAM, which also is the memory of the computer. So the RAM is what does the memory allocation. And we also have the guest operating system, which is like any operating system that is installed on the virtual machine itself that allows the computer to function. We also have the storage that keeps charge of the computer file systems and the applications. We also have the network adapter, which allows the computer to be able to communicate with other computers virtually as well. And then we also have the hypervisor, which manages these computer components and distributes them across different kinds of virtual machines. So in a business setting, assuming you have a company that has about 200 employees, and the company is supposed to run on multiple servers, ranging from a server that runs the company's web application to a server that runs the company's users and their account details, to a server that also stores a company's documents, and then a server that has stores a company's database. Different kinds of servers, and it's very expensive running one simple server. So it's going to take the company a lot of money to be able to run different kinds of servers in different kinds of locations, spending money on maintaining them, preserving them, and also making sure that they are in good shape with facilities and everything so that they can run. So it becomes very expensive for a company to run. And looking at the number of employees that they have, and running funds regarding payments of workers and other facilities to be maintained, other costs of production that they are involved in. What the virtual machine does is that it allows you to create multiple servers on just one particular server with the help of the hypervisor. So imagine if I have just one server, physical server running. With the help of the virtual machine, I am able to, and the hypervisor, I'm able to install the hypervisor on my virtual machine, either through type 2 or type 1, which is the bare metal or the software installation. So if I am doing type 1, it allows me to be able to use the hypervisor to create different kinds of servers on the same virtual machine to run this responsibility that I was spoken of: a server for database, a server for documentation, a server for backups, a server for user accounts and details, a server for even printing services in the organization, without necessarily having to establish the physical server for all of these services. And so by doing that, I'm using one stone to kill multiple birds and shrinking down the cost of production in these kind of services. And so it helps the company saves a lot of money that they can use to venture into other aspects of the businesses and improve their quality of production, their customer service, and their profitability as well. So that is the very beautiful thing about virtual machines. Now, if a company is running on a bare metal hypervisor, it's quite expensive, but it has low latency rate. And if a company is running on a type 2 hypervisor, which is a layer kind of installation of hypervisor, it has a high latency rate, but it's also very effective and helps save a lot of money. And so that is what I have to say concerning virtualization, virtual machine, and how it's really very profitable in business settings. Thank you.